Alright, so here we're going to do L match for a load impedance of 250 ohms. Okay? And so what we'll be doing here, given our 250 ohms, that normalizes to 5. Right? So we're going to start on the Smith chart at a resistance circle of 5, okay? Which is here. Okay, let me zoom in just a little bit now that you can see the heading there. All right, so our load impedance is 5. Because it's 5, it's greater than 1, we have to do an inverted L. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is add something in parallel. So we need to flip over the origin to the point 0.2. Okay? So our flip should be equidistant from the origin. I know it's 0.2 because 1 over 5 is 0.2. Okay, so we start here at number 1, we go over here at step number 2. Okay, now I'm going to go this way. I just choose to go this way. All right, and I want to stop at a point that lands me on the mirror of this r equals 1 circle. So if I take this r equals 1 circle and I mirror it over to here, my circle would be such that this point would be there. Okay? And what I did in this step, going this way, we're in susceptance world, so I added a capacitive susceptance of 0.4. Okay? Now that we're here, what we have so far are load resistor, and we've added a capacitor. The next thing we need to do is add an inductor, which will cancel out the imaginary component of this capacitor. We're going to flip over to here. Okay. Now we're back on the r equals 1 circle, so I'm going to call this step 3. This is step 4. Okay, now we're here, and we add to get back to 0. Okay, what did we add? Well, we added 2.0 of inductive reactance. Okay, so over here, and we added an inductor. This was value of 2. Okay, note that this capacitor, its susceptance was 0.4, so the impedance we added is 1 over 0.4, and that if you check, you'll see with the L match equations you get 5/2, which is 1 over 0.4. Okay, so this is our option, one of our options for the L match.